We're looking fantastic all across central Indiana now. Check out this sunrise here over our camera at Victory Field over downtown Indianapolis, where we have a few clouds out there, but overall skies will be bright today. Light Guardian radar dry across the state, and there's that cloud cover that's moving on through. Nothing too terribly thick. We will see a mix of sun and clouds as we head throughout the day. We do have some showers off to the west, off into northwestern Illinois, into eastern Iowa. These out ahead of a boundary that's going to slide to the north as we head into the later parts of the day and on into the weekend. So it doesn't slide across the state, but it will be nearby and it will help trigger the chance for a couple of showers around as we get into the weekend. We're at 64 degrees now in Indy. 57 is where we fall into in Bloomington and 66 in Lafayette. These dew point temperatures not bad, but they are elevated. Mid and upper 50s now. We say anything over 60 starts to get uncomfortable. We're getting close to that now, and they've come up about 2 to 10 degrees warmer from where they were this time yesterday. So that humidity is on the rise, and it's really going to surge as we get into the weekend and right on into next week. So getting into a much more humid pattern as we head through this weekend and on into that second week of June. Not too bad today, though. We will be warm and breezy by noon. Temperatures right around 80 degrees, and we'll look at a high of 85 as we head into the late afternoon hours. Futurecast, you can see, keeps us nice and quiet as we head into the lunch hour and on through the afternoon. It tries to bring in a spotty sprinkle. I think that chance is incredibly low. Primarily dry through your Friday. Anything of that nature that did develop shouldn't slow you down. It would be very, very brief. And then on into the overnight hours, that's when we'll track the chance for some spotty to widely scattered showers and storms. We'll time that out here in just a moment. By 9 o'clock tonight, temperatures drop into the upper 70s, right around 77 degrees by 11. And then by early tomorrow morning, we'll have temperatures fall into those mid and upper 60s. Warm over the weekend, a high of 84 on Saturday, 83 on Sunday, with widely scattered showers and storms around both days. Not a washout, but just know that this is coming over the weekend. If you have any outdoor plans, I'd highly recommend having our Weather Authority app so you can track the radar where you are and make sure that none of these impact you. Here we are tomorrow morning. This is 7 a.m. I'd say isolated to very widely scattered showers and storms. Some of the storms that develop have the potential to be on the stronger, potentially severe side, with a damaging wind threat being the primary concern of anything of that nature. We also could see some hail within any of those storms. And then as we get into the afternoon, keeping with that chance for some widely scattered showers and storms. This is 4 p.m. Notice how much dry space is out there. This is not a washout kind of weekend by any means. Even into Sunday, keeping the chance for some hit and miss showers, but a lot of dry time too. Thinking by Sunday morning, this is 8:30 a.m. If you're heading out to any of those early morning church services, you should be good to go. But we will see an uptick in that rain activity into the afternoon. This is 6 p.m. on through those early evening hours. Some widely scattered showers, and wouldn't rule out a couple of thunderstorms. The Storm Prediction Center does have us highlighted under that marginal risk for severe weather for Saturday. That's a level 1 of 5, meaning that 1 or 2 of those storms could potentially be on that severe side. Humidity is really going to set to rise as we head on into the weekend, and it stays high with these dew point temperatures upper 60s to near 70 right as we head into next week too. So the second week of June is going to be very humid, and it's going to be a warm one. Every day in my 7-day here is in the 80s, a high of 85 today, down to 67 tonight, and up to 84 on Saturday, 83 on Sunday. Again, widely scattered showers and storms around for the weekend, but many dry hours in there too. 82 on Monday. Better chances for rain and storms come Monday and Tuesday and continue into Wednesday, but we really heat things up near 90 degrees with a high of 88 on Wednesday and 89 and more dry time on Thursday.